What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Glad to be back. Um, it is about to turn into an ER trade. It is. It sure is. Sure is. I'm about to put out a message right now. You're up like 5%. If you want to take 5%, take it. But personally, I believe in this. So I'm holding strong. I ain't taking 5%. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't taking 5%. Holy shit, why can I spell? All right. Perfect, 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 perfect. Yeah, I didn't realize it was earnings today, but I like it. Is it today or is it tomorrow? No, aftermarket. Aftermarket tomorrow. Okay, I gotta stop listening to y'all. Holy shit. I gotta stop listening to y'all. Earnings is tomorrow. Hold this damn trade. Alright. I need this tomorrow, people. Not today. Okay, what the hell is going on? Alright, give me 1 second, because I don't know what the hell is going on. Why is this? I don't want to restart the stream, but I might have to. Alright, let me see. Yeah, I might have to just switch to my desktop. Um, this laptop is high key shit. Yeah, I might have to end stream and go to my go to my computer. This lag is annoying. And if I know if it's annoying me, I'm sure it's annoying y'all. All right. Taking a look at this, pretty much hourly bullish, daily bullish, everything's bullish. However, this is hot ass price action. Like hot ass, like terrible. Like you take a bag of dog shit and you light it on fire. That's how bad this price action is. Because just looking at this, what it took 8 hours and 30 minutes to move up 10 points on ES. Even if you would literally have to take like in the money to make anything on this. Like if you took out the money and you entered all the way down here at the bottom, you possibly might be down money right now just because of how slow price action is. This is kind of giving me the vibes like yesterday where we do absolutely nothing until the 350 algo. But I'll go ahead and mark out these levels still. So basically, what time was this? It was 10 o'clock. All right, so calls above there, puts below here. And that's a very tight 3 point range. That price just isn't moving. I don't know why price isn't moving either. I don't know if there's news, what's going on. Let's see. Something has to be happening for price action to be this bad. And then I did get an email from all these prop firms talking about the CME something with like natural gas or something. Um, let's see, Forex Factory. What's going on? Nothing. There's nothing. All right, so price action is just ass just because. Unless we're gonna do something tomorrow. Tomorrow is unemployment claims at 8:30, which still just isn't enough. Isn't enough of a reason to why the market's moving this bad right now. Yeah, because this price action is not what you want to be trading. Yes, we're trending up, but like I said, a single red candle against you, you're already back to break even. If not even 20% against you, despite you getting in 20 points lower than where price is now. Yeah, you need volatility. You need some displacement candles to really get paid on options, especially when it comes down to the end of the day, which we're currently at, considering there's only 50 minutes left in the market. And this price action is not ideal. But we'll see. We'll see. Just gonna have to be patient today. Patient type of day. Um, yeah, this is terrible. Like, there's no point in commentating anything about this price action because we're just gonna chop. We're just gonna chop. We go pretty much we go long above 90 or 69 60 above 69.60 we go long. We go short below 69.57. Anywhere in between that range we do nothing. That's pretty clean. That's pretty clean. All right, so right now we're building an office for my place in Atlanta. So it's currently getting renovated and eventually kind of want to sell this home. Um, so I'm kind of just living in it while it's getting renovated. And kind of need some help with some office ideas. Yeah, I want something clean. Something clean. Give you guys some more live trading, some more YouTube videos. And also, if I feel like if I have an office, I think I could drop more content more often. Living in Miami, I didn't have an office. So now that I do have the opportunity to have an office, I think I gotta take advantage of it. And just drop content. Just drop content for you guys. Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible. Let's see. Is anything else doing anything? Pretty much everything from the watch list. You just got non-stop continuation up. So like CRM was on the watch list yesterday. Tesla was on the watch list yesterday. I think even Take Two was on the watch list yesterday. Yeah, literally everything, everything, everything with damn Costco. Costco, what the hell you got going on? Oh, are you serious? Today's the 25th. We opened up in the money. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts. Yeah, traveling sometimes fucks you up. Fucks you up. Fucks you up. Because high key, I'm sure if you did trim out of the gate, you probably were up like 30 something percent, 40%, somewhere around there. Now we're currently down and just chopping. It's not like the trade's not doing anything, it's just chopping. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun power hour session. The good thing is, as long as we get the direction right, I'm like pretty confident based on this price action right now that through 50 algo should easily give us like a 200, 300, 400% gain easily. And it's also funny, the moment I get off of live, the market finally gives us confirmation, and then we jump back in the same damn calls again for 200% yesterday. So today I'm gonna be a little more patient, a little more patient. Just wait for confirmation. Like literally not gonna touch this until I see the close above 69.60 or 69.57. Everything in between that range, not touching. But how are we trading this week? How we doing? We having a good week? Great week? Yes, no, maybe so. Oh shit. I have a meeting. Hello, good afternoon. Yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I was a little confused because I was like, 3 o'clock. I know I didn't schedule a meeting for 3 o'clock. But yeah, tomorrow at 2 is perfect. Yes, ma'am. It's perfect. I'll do that right now. Thank you so much. Likewise. Take care, Jigmeon. Bye bye. All right. What are we doing? Chopping, chopping, chopping. Chop, 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 chop. So anything not chopping? No continuation to that AMD move. Oh, what's up 10%? MSTR. That's so funny because I've seen a lot of people talking about, hey, I'm going to short Bitcoin miners. People said that on Monday. And if you listen to them, well, you see where price is now. You would have gotten cooked. Yeah, you would have gotten cooked. Considering we're just range bound. If this honestly can hold above this 136 range, we're probably going to go back up. Probably test these like 150 ranges. Oh shit, look at meta. Um, Pretty sure we still have contracts. Yeah, we do. 7%. What do we have? We have contracts for next week. Honestly, we're probably about to jump back into some more 660 calls. Yet again. Very likely for meta. Pretty much I have this in like one of my A plus setup guides, trendline breakout retest. Pretty much this is what we just did. We just retested. Also held the point 0.5 Fibonacci, which is a very good sign. It's a very good sign. And honestly, with ES and NQ also kind of still range bound and potentially looking like they could shift bullish, common stocks could potentially run like as a whole. Because I feel like for the past 3 months, the market has definitely been like, hey, this group is gonna run. The rest of the market is just gonna keep fucking dumping and going to shit, or just consolidating. And then this group is gonna run. And then it's like oil names run, and then it's tech names run. So yeah, I think we should get a collective market rally here, probably within the next like week, if we can just break out of this consolidation range on ES and NQ. So pretty much, if we look at ES and NQ, SPY, QQQ, whatever you want to look at, they're all the same thing. Come here, look at the daily time frame. This is ugly. Like this is ugly, ugly. Like look how nasty this is. It's nasty. Like we've literally been in this range. Shit, since October. Like that's why a lot of the swings nowadays are like, hey, give me a 2 day swing and let me get the hell out. Because we're not really expanding. We're just consolidating, which isn't a bad thing. And when you look at the daily time frame and realize where COVID was 5 years ago, yeah, something like that, right? 5, 6 years ago. And look at where the market is now. You would have swore the move back in April was a COVID drop. Like looking at the charts nowadays. But no, I think it's safe to say we probably will never come back to COVID lows. Like the world would literally have to end for us to come take out COVID lows. And even looking at it, seems like for us to come even take out these lows from April, damn near the world would probably have to end as well. Or not end, but some crazy catastrophe would definitely have to hit planet Earth in order for price to come down and take out April lows. So yeah, if we can actually break out of this range, Meta would be a very good name to pretty much go long on. All right, kind of started to do something, kind of, kind of. Wouldn't get ahead of ourselves, but kind of doing something. Like I don't get how people trade this. Like this is literally what price action in Asia moves. Like how do you trade this? How? How do you enjoy trading this? A trade that you sit in for 3 hours long to make 10 points on ES. I respect the Asia traders. I respect y'all. But this is just not for me. I'd rather just wait for volatility to kick in, get clear as day confirmation, and take a trade, and then deal with this type of price action. But I do like that 5 minute close because pretty much if we can flip this hourly back green and then close back above 69.60, we should blast off. But even if we do push down this level that I have here, we should easily push down about 4 points. And now that I say that out loud, 4 points is not shit. But if we get a really good entry, we could still make about probably like 150%. Two things would have to happen. We'd have to snipe the entry, and two, we'd need to see one big red candle straight down to the CP. If it doesn't happen and it slowly, continuously just trends lower like the price action we're getting now, we're just gonna get cooked. But we do have a new 30-minute candle here in 4 minutes, so hopefully that offers some type of expansion. Hopefully. If not, we just gotta wait it out another 20 minutes, and then we should have a clean A+ setup by then. You can really just full screen this because other time frames don't really matter right now. This is what we're watching, ladies and gentlemen. For puts, we'd probably just take 69.45s, maybe 69.40s by the time we get confirmation. For calls, we'd be taking 69.55 calls by the time we get confirmation. All right. Meta comes down to like 650. I'll go ahead and add here. Or damn near take a new position because there's only 2 contracts left from our last position on meta. Pretty sure Falcon entered Oklo. Oklo looks pretty decent. Your uranium still holding up like nothing ever happened. Beautiful. All right, I guess we're watching 6940 puts. Watching 6940 puts. 6940 puts. Or 6940. Three minutes left for confirmation.
Been a broken down car on a side street. Damn near lost it all on a bad week. Praying for change. How could only 12 steps feel so far away? So
we're just being patient, people. Patience. Nothing for us to do. Why do I see air? I don't know if you guys can see my stream or not, but I see an air.
I hate the man I used to be, but he'll always be a part of me. Right now, looking at my past, I know it's unpretty. Can't hide the pain that I've been through. I wear my scars like my tattoos. The man who I was wrong, but he's the one who built me. Say, I am nothing without my sins. I can't pretend.
Recently discovered, what's this guy's name? Jelly Roll? Pretty damn good.
Seen the bright lights a few times, and that's what saved me. Ain't no stranger to pain. The ones who love me all feel the same. With every one step forward, felt 10 steps back. A lot of years in the dark, felt just like that. Oh, I never thought I'd see the day when I forgive myself and say, I hate the man I used to be, but he'll always be.
See why it's so important to wait for body clothes?
it's unpretty. Can't hide the pain that I've been through. I wear my scars like my tattoos. The man who I was wrong, but he's the one who built me. Say, I am nothing without my sins. I can't pretend, but not I'm pretty. Say, I am nothing without my sins. I can't pretend, but not I'm pretty. I hate the man I used to be, but he'll always be a part of me. Right now, looking at my past, I know it's unpretty.
Beautiful song. 25 seconds left. See what this 5-minute wants to do.
Everything's still pretty much the same round here. The neighbor's still shooting all of next year's deer. Boys still lose less than playing at home. But I got better since you.
Well, we got confirmation.
I'm still a few too many on a Friday night. Still try to step in when it ain't my fight.
Honestly, I'm gonna wait. Like, if you want to take the short, take the short. I'm gonna wait for 350 outgoes. And if it bites me in the ass, it bites me in the ass. But technically, my edge did tell me to go short. But I am gonna wait for 350 outgo. Turns out me and you together would have took so long, cause I got better since you got gone. You could take the puts if you would like. I'm personally not. I'd rather wait for 350 algos. 15 minutes. I'd rather just wait for cleaner price action. I don't want to deal with the same bullshit that we dealt with yesterday, where it's like, hey, we take puts at 40% because price action is just shit. I'd rather just get a cleaner setup and just take one very clean, nice setup.
Saying you're the sleep that I lost, but I never slept this good before. I ain't saying you're the weight on my back, I'm just saying that it ain't there no more. I'll be damned, I'm finally back to being who I am. When we were over, it was overnight. Light came on, it all felt right. When it all went wrong, you turned me loose. Wasn't no telling who I turned into. But it turns out me and you together's why it took so long. Cause I got better since you got gone. Yeah, baby, since you got gone.
See why I said I'd rather just be patient. I figured yesterday kind of just taught me bullshit price action at the end of the day. Probably going to be the same thing. And by now you guys should notice that price action repeats the same exact patterns, like the same exact. Literally every single week. Every single week.
Man, what a hell of a year it's been.
So when you see the same price action, learn from it.
I'm bluffing, but I just can't win. Drown my sorrows, but they learn to swim. Man, what a hell of a year it's been. Head in a bottle, put my heart in a case. song on a tiny violin. For the
The man at the bar confessing his sins.
I need some good news. Sitting here sipping on cold truth. Nobody knows what I'm going through. But the devil will
Walk in my shoes.
wish someone told me.
Living this life will be lonely.
Trying to get away from the old me. Still stuck singing these blues. All I really need is a little.
Alright, if we close above the call trigger, we'll take the 69. I'm more inclined to take the calls. I just see the same short squeeze that we did yesterday at the end of the day likely happening. And that right there is an example of where intuition, you gotta learn to listen to your intuition. There's times where your edge is gonna tell you one thing, but your intuition is gonna tell you another. Listen to your intuition 100% of the time. Your intuition's always gonna lead you to the right path. If I listened to my edge, guess what? We all would have taken a fat ass loss for no reason. All I need is a little bit of volatility. Shit. Forget the good news. Just expand. Do something.
I need some good news. Sitting here sipping on cold truth. Nobody knows what I'm going through. That the devil wouldn't walk in my shoes. Wish someone told me living this life would be lonely. Trying to get away from the old me. Still stuck singing these blues. All I really need is a little good news. All I really need is a little. Something bring me back to the
3 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's see.
All I really need is a little.
What do we say? 69.50 calls. 69.50. Yeah, it'd be 69.50 calls by the time to get confirmation.
It's me again. I know. I shouldn't be here right now.
No heads up. Nothing.
It's terrible. Alright, cool. Watching calls here. Two minutes left for confirmation.
I'm not capable of love. There's something broken inside of me. It doesn't matter how hard I try. I can't forget about all the times I cried myself to sleep. I'm far away from better days, but memories keep bringing me back here. The past is my enemy. Take a look at what it did to me.
That song, wasn't it?
I ain't trying to settle these scores. I don't wanna be.
1 minute left here for confirmation. We go long above 69.60. 40 seconds left. So far, we're just still stuck in this range. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 5 minutes till 350. I'll go. All right, let me get this 15-second chart ready to go. I think we got a setup here. So basically, 3 minute and 5 minute both have the same levels. I need something you prove. If we close above 69, 60, 75, I will go long. 49 seconds left. Well, actually, we gotta close above 61 on a 3 minute. All right, we're about to go long. Cool. We're long. Okay, let me enter this on my personal. Hurry up, Thinkerson. Holy shit. What is going on with my phone? Oh my god. I really just want to get in. Thank you. Are we in 6950 calls? 6950 calls. Cool. What did it just get filled? 1.9. Cool. For this one, I'm playing this as a lotto. Full zero or hero, because we honestly might chop around. We could easily chop around. It's definitely possible. And we could chop around literally up until the last 1 minute, and the next thing you know, we start to shoot up to the fucking moon. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? That's why we took calling Solano. Just because I already knew the bullshit was going to happen. But hey, we're... this is what we do. This is what we do, ladies and gentlemen, every fucking day. Every day. Every day. Pull up to the stream. Pull up to the stream. We do this every day. Every day. If you're new here, pull up. This is what we do. Every single day. Patience, ladies and gentlemen. Patience. Patience. All right, cool. Let me get the fuck on out of here. Just got to trim at 3.7. Let's fucking go. Patience. That's it. That's it. That's all it takes. A little bit of patience. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Patience. See, we learn from our mistakes. Every single day we just get better and better. I told you yesterday, I acknowledged I fucked up. I acknowledged I fucked up. I acknowledged it. But guess what? You know what I didn't do? Make the same fuck up today. That's what I didn't do. That's what you guys have to do. You guys have to do that. And I'm the type of person that I realize I have to lead by example, right? So by me leading by example is, hey, learn from your mistakes. Don't make the same fuck up, right? We only got one life. There's no point in living it in a loop. That's like living in hell on earth, basically. I know a lot of you guys will make the same mistakes every single day in trading and then be like, oh man, it's the market. The market's the reason why I'm not profitable. No, it has nothing to do with the market, bro. It has everything to do with yourself. Are you willing to improve? Are you willing to learn from your mistakes? Are you willing to make a mistake yesterday and come back today and say, hey, I fixed it? If you're not willing to do that, sorry to break it to you. You're not going to succeed in this field. You're not. You have to be willing to improve every single day. And if you can't do it, stick to a 9 to 5. You can stay complacent there. But when it comes to trading, you have to be willing to improve. That's why we're able to go live every single day. That's why we're able to make people money every single day. That's why we're able to make money damn near every single day when it comes to trading. Because I'm always willing to improve, get better and better and better. But yeah, good job. Good job today. Good job today. Great job today. Great job with the patience, the execution, the discipline. Yeah, everything was just flawless. Uh, 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 uh. Pretty much based on this 15-second time frame, we have to close above 63 right now. Like right now. Like right now. Like we have to close above 63 within the next 1 minute if we want to see more upside. If we don't close above 63 within the next 1 minute, we probably shoot all the way back down. Not all the way back down, but probably come back to retest this range. Close above 63. You could do it. 9 seconds, 8 seconds left. Oh, it did us dirty. It did us dirty. It did us dirty. It literally looked like it was gonna close, and then the last second said, huh, yeet, I'm out of here. All right, I'm gonna close these last two contracts here. Overall, phenomenal day. $1,500 day. Can't complain. You're welcome. You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome. Because a lot of you guys are very fucking ungrateful, but you're welcome. Yeah, I'm calling it a day. Everybody should have made money. Everybody should have printed. If you have patience, you made money. If you don't have patience, you probably didn't make money. So yeah, moral of the story: learn patience. Great job today. Yeah. Any questions? And you guys got to realize, like, sometimes there's nothing to do, right? Sometimes we just got to sit on our hands. It might be hard for you to sit on your hands, but when you've been trading for 7 years or coming up on 7 years in the next 2 months, it's a skill that you've acquired. I know some of you guys are watching this like, damn, man, he's been live since 3 o'clock and he hasn't taken a trade since 3:50. 50 minutes of patience? 50 minutes? Is 50 minutes really a long time when you think about it? Imagine 50 minutes. 50 minutes, that's it. 50. I could count to 50 with you. If you really want me to. 50 minutes, not long. Right? So if you could learn to be patient for 50 minutes, you can make money every single day. You could come to SPX Power Hour, get a nice 90% gain, go on about your life. But you gotta have patience. If you don't have that patience, you're just gonna keep losing money. And I know some of you guys don't like hearing the truth, but that's just my nature. Whether you like it or not, I tell the truth. I keep it real with you guys. And I also want a lot of you guys to succeed. But you guys gotta want to succeed just as bad as I want you guys to succeed. And that's just gonna come with action and execution. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys with that little TED talk. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Be on the lookout for options funding. Testers, the dev team is already implementing a lot of the things that you guys have suggested. I greatly appreciate it as well. Bugs are getting fixed. Everything is getting fixed. I want a flawless launch. So that's why we're just focusing on just testing and, hey, learning from people's mistakes. Like I seen how Surge Options launched. Hey, it's a great idea, but, they didn't have a very good launch. So learn from people's mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. And that's how you grow in life. So yeah, right now we're just testing it, making sure everything is flawless so that once we are ready to actually launch, everybody has a phenomenal experience with the platform. But yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. If you're not in the community, make sure to check us out, ZeusTrades.com, and I will see you guys later. Take care of a blessed one.